Hello, everybody. I'm Linda. I'm the old bird. Down on the farm, I wanted to show you this. I was headed in the opposite direction, pulled over so I could share this with you. Wait a minute, let me turn my camera down. Can you see? Let me see if I can blow this up. Now I'm across the street. I'm gonna try to walk across so you can see it better. But look, let me see. There we go. Can you see? Can you see? They are harvesting the wheat. Yes! My husband said that is being harvested. You see, can you see? And it's fields and fields. Let me back up. Fields and fields. Look, all of that is wheat. And you remember I showed it to you green when it was growing, and I told you I would come back and show you them harvesting the wheat. There it is. All of that, as far as you can see. Look, that's the wheat. You see the color that it turned? That means it's ready to be harvested. Now let me back up and show you just how much it is. A lot. You see, as far as you can see, it's wheat. That's wheat. And they are harvesting the wheat. Look, can you see that huge tractor? Oh my goodness. Now it's two. Let me see if I can do like this. Now it's over. There it is. There it is. There's the other one. You see it? And this one, there we go. Being harvested right this very minute. Now it's traffic. I'm sorry. Okay, look, he's turning around. You see? That's the way it looks. Oh my goodness. Now guys, there is a machine that bales it up. Now, am I getting wheat and hay mixed up? Maybe I'm getting it mixed up because my husband said it's being harvested right this very minute. So this is wheat. This is it for the wheat. You see? You see as he comes along? Can you see it? Isn't that amazing? And right here, let me back up a little. Close to me, close to the road, that looks like wheat that he didn't get. You see the tall? That's what it looks like to me. I'm not certain. I have another video that I hope I can get made today or tomorrow. I went to a farm. It is Daylily Farm. Now he disappeared behind those trees. You see the fields go on all the way behind these trees. And you see that right there that's not cut? That looks like hay to me. I mean, wheat to me. Now here he comes back. There he is. There he is. Oh, guys, this is amazing. But anyway, there is a daylily farm. I had never seen that before. And he has, I guess, an acre of daylilies. And you go and buy the daylilies. I bought some. The nicest guy, he told me to come and make my video anytime. So I'm going to try to get back there as soon as I can and show you a daylily farm. Well, guys, I just wanted to share this with you, and you could see the huge, massive tractors harvesting the wheat. It's getting ready to rain here, and we need it. Thanks for joining the Old Bird. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. If you haven't signed up to get my free recipes using fresh, homegrown herbs, please do so. And give me a thumbs up. Have an amazing, blessed day, guys. Bye-bye.